everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kathleen Benjamin, and for those of you who don't know, I create content for mature women around lifestyle and beauty. So if that interests you, then stay tuned. Okay, so in today's video, what I want to share with you really quickly is an eyeshadow technique, and mainly the reason why I use eyeshadow on my eyes. I think sometimes you see all these different eyeshadows on, you know, wherever, websites, social media, drugstores, beauty counters, and it's a whole dramatic eye type look with lots of liners and all these different colors and shimmers, and you know, it's all underneath the eye, is all lined. And for me as a mature woman, that does not work for me. The minute I put that much makeup on my eyes, it makes my eyes look heavy, tired, and old looking, and that's sort of counterproductive to what I'm looking for. I'm looking to enhance my eye, just open it up more so it looks bright, and that's what I'm going to be showing you in today's video. So anyway, what I'm going to get started with is the Patrick Ta palette. I'm going to be, it's the Major Dimension 3. This is an all matte palette, which is great for mature eyes. There's not too much shimmer on it. And I'm going to be focusing on like these two colors down here, right here. This lighter one and the one that's a little bit darker, because it's not real. I just really want to show you the reason to use, for me, the reason I use eyeshadow on my eyes, and mainly the reason this is the eyeshadow technique that I use on, and for those of you who don't know, I have a bridal hair and makeup company, and I mainly focus on natural bride makeup. I just really like to enhance people's beauty. I don't really like to transform it or change it. So let's get started. Okay, so I'm just gonna tuck my hair back, and I don't have anything on my eyes. I just have my face makeup done, my eyebrows, and I have some lip color on. But okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna go in and I'm going to take this, actually I'm gonna use these two colors. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna use this color and the one above it that's a little bit darker, just for the sake of this video. And I'm gonna go in and I'm just gonna go, and I'm bringing it a little bit closer so you can see why I do it. Okay, so there's nothing on either one of my eyes, and I'm just gonna, don't mind me, I'm gonna look over here for a second every now and again, just so I can see. I'm gonna tap off any of the excess. And I go back and forth in here. Okay, and you can already see how that just kind of makes my eye pop a little bit more. I'm going to take a color that's a little bit lighter than that. I'm going to use this one here, and I'm just going to go across my lid. And what I find, like, especially when I'm doing weddings, the mother of the brides looks so much better with less makeup on. The more makeup you put on their eyes, the older and tireder they look. So I have nothing against heavy makeup. I'm amazed at what it does and how it transforms people. But as a daily makeup wearer, I'm using the makeup because I really just want to enhance the way that I look. I'm not looking to transform it the way that I look. Okay, so those are the two colors I would mainly use, right? And you can just see how it just kind of gives it a little bit more depth. And then I would go in and I would take an angle brush, right? And I would go in to this darker color here, right? And I would tap in there, or I would use this is like a brown gel type liner at the end. I would use either one of those, right? And I would just go in and I would go right across the lash line here, go right in there. Just so you can see how that just darkened up my lash line. I'm not going in with like a heavy black liner and doing a wing with it, because that again would just make my eyes look closed up and tired looking. So what I would do is just go on the lower lash line and just do like just a quarter of the eye on this side here. Now you can see already how that just kind of makes the eye open up. And then if I wanted, I could go in, I could put a little tiny shimmer across here, not up here where I have a hood and texture, because that would just enhance the texture, and I'm not looking to do that. Next, I would go in and I would take a lash curler, go in there. This volumizing, this is by Beyond Beauty. It is a volumizing mascara. Okay, and then I would just, like I said, take the mascara, and whether or not I would do 1 or 2 coats, really just kind of depends. And I would go in. And just kind of, you know, coat my lashes with that mascara. And I love this mascara because not only is it a great mascara, it's also a volumizing treatment mascara for my lashes. So anyway, guys, that is what I would do. This is what basically is what I do on a daily basis. And it's really what I do when I'm on weddings and I'm working with my clients. I go into a little bit more detail with it, but this is basically the look that they're looking for. They don't want heavy mascara or eyeshadow on. They want just their eyes to open up and be brighter. And then I would pop a lash on, but a more natural looking minimal lash, just to kind of make that eye pop. And so that would be the focus. And you know, it's a clean, fresh look that looks, you know, elegant, and it lasts the entire day. So wait, let me back up a little bit so you can see, but you can see how that just kind of made the eye pop just a little bit more. So anyway, guys, that's it. Thank you so much for watching. If you gained any value from this video, please consider subscribing, giving this video a thumbs up, and I will see you in my next video.